Imagine escaping the summer heat without installing a bulky AC or drilling holes for a vent. Sounds too good to be true? Well, ventless portable air conditioners are here to change the game. In today's video, we're diving into the best ventless portable air conditioners, the perfect cooling solution for small spaces, RVs, and even outdoor setups. No vents, no hassle, just instant relief from the heat. Stay tuned as we break down the top models, key features, and what makes them worth your money. And if you're ready to grab one, check out the links in the description. The number 5 product on our list is COOLECH Portable Air Conditioner. Did you know a typical air conditioner can dry out your air and spike energy bills? What if there was a smarter, fresher way to stay cool? Today we're diving into the COOLECH Portable Air Conditioner, a standout among the best ventless portable air conditioners I've tested. First, this isn't your average AC. It triples as a fan, humidifier, and air cooler. Especially great for dry climates, this evaporative cooler doesn't just cool, it refreshes by adding much-needed moisture back into your air. Visualize dry desert heat becoming soothing breezes, a feature I genuinely appreciated. The smart waterless alert. No more stressing about water levels. It even switches modes automatically, letting you sleep uninterrupted. Plus, it's ultra-quiet at just 40 dB, perfect for bedrooms or home offices. But let's be real, while it's energy efficient and versatile, it won't replace traditional AC in highly humid areas. After reviewing customer experiences, if you live somewhere dry and crave portability, COOLECH is fantastic. But if humidity is your enemy, consider alternatives. At number 4 is Evapolar, evaCHILL Portable Air Conditioner. What if you could carry a refreshing ocean breeze wherever you go? Meet the Evapolar evaCHILL, a game-changer in the world of best ventless portable air conditioners. It's not just cooling, it's personal climate control at your fingertips. This compact 3-in-1 cooler doesn't just chill the air. It humidifies and filters dust particles, giving you clean, comfortable airflow. Unlike traditional ACs that dry out the air, evaCHILL keeps things fresh and breathable. Plus, it's ultra-portable. Whether you're at your desk in your car or camping, this USB power device ensures cool relief wherever you are. The biggest highlight? Its energy efficiency. Consuming just 10 W, it's cost-sufficiently and eco-friendly. But let's be real, this won't cool an entire room. It's a personal cooling unit, perfect for close-range relief. So, should you get it? If you need a small, portable breeze for dry climates, it's a win. But for whole-room cooling, you might need a stronger alternative. The third one on our list is CENSTECH 4-in-1 Portable Air Conditioner. Did you know traditional ACs can drain your energy bill while drying out your air? Enter the CENSTECH 4-in-1 Portable Air Conditioner, a smart, ventless cooling solution designed for dry climates. But is it really worth it? Let's dive in. This isn't just a fan. It's an evaporative cooler, humidifier, and air conditioner in one. With 4 cooling modes and 3 fan speeds, it delivers customized comfort for every situation. The best part? It requires no window, no hose, and no complicated setup. Just plug and enjoy. It even comes with a 2-gallon water tank, lasting up to 20 hours per fill. And the 120 dG oscillation ensures even cooling for rooms up to 300 SQWFT. So, should you get it? If you're after an energy-efficient, best ventless portable air conditioner, this could be a game-changer. But for humid regions, consider alternatives. On number 2 is Feculs Portable Air Conditioner. Imagine cooling your space without a bulky AC unit or messy window installation. Meet the Feculs Portable Air Conditioner, one of the best ventless portable air conditioners for effortless energy-saving cooling. But is it the right fit for you? Let's find out. With a 3-in-1 design, this unit doesn't just cool, it also acts as a fan and humidifier, perfect for dry environments. Covering up to 320 SQFF, it's a game-changer for bedrooms, offices, and small living spaces. The 20ST remote control makes adjustments a breeze, and the 4 cooling modes with 3 speeds ensure customized comfort. What I love? No hoses, no windows, no fuss. Just fill the 2-gallon water tank and enjoy a cooling breeze that saves up to 70% energy compared to traditional ACs. The downside? It won't work as well in high humidity. If you need a portable, efficient, and eco-friendly cooler, this could be it. Now, moving to the last one is Feculs Official Portable Air Conditioner. What if staying cool didn't mean complicated setups or sky-high energy bills? The Feculs Official Portable Air Conditioner delivers effortless cooling. No hoses, no windows, just plug and enjoy. But is it the right choice for you? Let's break it down. This 3-in-1 ventless air cooler isn't just a fan, it also humidifies, making it perfect for dry climates. With 3 speeds and 4 modes, you get customizable comfort whether you're working, sleeping, or relaxing. The child lock feature is a thoughtful addition, making it family-friendly. The 1.98-gallon water tank keeps things cool for hours, and the top-fill design makes refills a breeze. Plus, at just $36.56 dB, it's whisper quiet. But here's the catch. It works best in low-humidity environments. So if you want an energy-efficient portable cooling solution, this might be for you. If you need full-room AC power in humid areas, you may want to explore other options. We have a winner. If you're looking for the perfect balance of cooling power, energy efficiency, and ease of use, the CENSTECH 4.01 portable air conditioner takes the crown. With customizable modes, a 2-gallon tank, and 120 dG oscillation, it offers great coverage for rooms up to 300 square feet, without the hassle of vents or hoses. That said, every unit on this list has something unique to offer. If you need personal cooling, the Evapolar evaCHILL is fantastic for larger spaces. Feculs portable air conditioner delivers. Ultimately, it all comes down to your specific needs. Which one is your top pick? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're ready to beat the heat, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay cool.